Hi, Sungguki.
What's the name again?
Divine.
Divine. Divine.
Divine.
Yes. Okay. So, Divine, ready ka na ba? Handa ka na? Nakapag-warm up ka na? Okay. So, let's see the next word. You wanna look? Okay. Next word is...
Apoy. Apoy.
Easy to pronounce, right? Apoy. Okay, so again, you can answer in Korean or English. Are you ready? Okay. All you have to do is actions lang ha, no words in 30 seconds. Ready? Divine? Okay. Timer starts now. Oh, don't use your mouth. Ang cute ni Divine. Pinigil niya talaga eh. Kaya mo yan. Ano kaya ito?
Wala, nagbrilyante ng...
Look at Divine. Okay yan ah. Oh, wow.
Huh? What's that? Fire.
Congratulations.
Okay.
Kaya
너무
fire.
잘하신다. galing mo.
Yes. Fire. The fire in your heart.
Wow, okay.
Okay, dito naman tayo. Diba nagpakapang tayo?
Thank you, Divine.
Sa Vincenzo, diba? Okay, so yun ang ating fun fact. May papayang scene kasi tayo yung sa Vincenzo. Sa billiard. Okay, so now, dito naman tayo pumili. Yes? Ayan si MJ. Okay, MJ. At hinapirap na tayo ng daming deserving! Oh my gosh! Sino kaya yung tatlong pagkakasing natin? Okay, meron na. Parang nagkaya na sa natin.
한 분을 어떻게 봐요?
Nag-resist ka na.
Paano tayo magpili ng isa lang?
Okay, 안녕하세요.
Ayan na siya. Nauna yung finger heart. Nauna ang finger heart. Okay. Hello? Sinigawan kami lahat.
감사합니다.
What's your name?
Kalma.
I'm sorry.
Kalma.
Daan Eduardo.
Go!
What's your name? Sorry, Lean. Na? Lean. Lean.
레안.
Lean. Okay. Sabi ko sa'yo eh, ibang energy ng Filipino fans. Lean represent. Okay, Lean, handa ka na ba? Yes, handa na! Okay, are you ready?
Yeah,
Okay,
ready.
let's see the third word. Here it is. Parang familiar.
아싸라.
I think you already know this.
아싸라. 아까.
Yung hindi na timer starts now. Andiyan na. Okay, look at her. What's wow? Ang galing mo na. Tumutuloy siya. Okay. Wow, you can have
아까 우리 했잖아요.
We talk about this.
yes.
Delicious. 저는 아까 이 단어를 이제 외워서 맞는 것 같긴 했는데 이거 하는 건 거였어요.
Kanina kasi sabi ko, masarap parang it's very familiar. Tapos nung nakita ko siya, kiss siya. Tapos sabi ko, ano ba ito? Masarap, kiss na to.
Ano ba yan? Siyempre, hindi naman natin mapigilan. Fun fact talaga. Yan, that is how Vincenzo would describe your favorite pasta dish, right? Masarap. Delicioso. Matches sa'yo.
아싸라 맛있어요.
Okay. Alright. So far so good. You got all three.
Let's go.
Let's move on to that side.
Let's go.
Let's
Okay.
누구.
I think napili na natin ang player.
안녕하세요.
What's your name?
Diyan po kasi Gustavo!
Yan lang siya. What's your name? Gian.
Hi, Dian.
Gian. Gian. Demian. Gian. Hello, Gian. Gian, sumakses ka na. Sobra. Okay. Ay, namatay na siya. At namatay na siya. Oh, kaya pa. Kaya pa. Oh, hinga ka muna. Hinga malalim, Gian. This is your moment. Oh, Gian, kalma lang. Kalma lang. Kalma lang. That's how you tell them to calm down. Kalma. Kalma lang. Kalma lang.
Kalma lang.
Lang. Lang.
Kalma lang.
Yes. Ikaw, Gian,
Kalma
kalma
lang.
lang. Okay, are you ready for the word, Gian? Okay. We can do it. Okay. Let's go. Let's look at the word. This is the next word. Can you say it again? Show them.
진,
Pag biglang sumayawin ng gento at na lost in translation. Hoy, mag-gento yan. Lost in translation na lang.
Ginto.
ginto.
Okay. Alright, kaya ba yan? Paano kaya? I-act out ni Gian. Okay, timer starts now!
잘하실 것 같아요.
Wow! Ano yan? Medyo challenging to, no? Ano kaya? Ano kaya i-acting ngayon, no? Medyo mahirap to, ah.
Huh?
I love the emotions. I know. This is hard. A bit harder.
네.
Ano kaya?
인센조랑 관련된 골! 맞아요?
Tama ba? Goal?
you're so good.
Ang galing naman natin.
ginto.
Okay, confirmed. Sumakses ka talaga. Nanalo ka pa. Ah! Parang yung moment na to. Golden moment. Grabe ah. Thank you, Gian. Congratulations. So far, so good. You have 4 points.
야, 4개 다 있어요.
Perfect score. Grabe naman. Mr.
What's
Perfect.
next? Let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's
Okay.
go.
So, ginto. Bakit pa ginto? Dahil, di ba you were